Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be cutting my hair, well, shaving my hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty short. I actually cut it about 5 centimeters a few days ago just to make it this short, but then I thought I still want to shave my hair because I have been thinking about it for the past couple of weeks. You know, I really want to have that Scarlett Johannsen short hair look. I'll show you. That's the haircut. Now, why do I want to shave my hair? Because I think I want a major change. You know, I want to look different because in the past few months I have been getting into makeup. I have been loving putting makeup on. As you can see on my YouTube channel, I have done quite a lot of makeup videos. So I thought if I shave my hair, then I'll be able to really accentuate my facial features. And I hope that the makeup will really stand out. And yeah, hopefully, you know, having short hair, it will really accentuate my cheekbone and my face features. So, and also I have been watching a number of YouTube videos on how to do DIY hair shave and scissor cutting. So hopefully I will not mess it up. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to section my hair. Okay, so now here we go. I have my square just on top of my head, and now I'm going to make a triangle just underneath the square here. Okay, now I have section of my triangle and my square. And now I'm ready to shave. So this is guard number 8, 1 inch guard. So this is actually the longest one. So here we go. Comes the second section. Okay, now this section. I'm doing the right hand side. Now I'm going to do some cutting on this triangle part. Just going to wet that hair. like the right hand side better because it's kind of flat-ish. But the left hand side, yeah, the hair is a bit sticking out from being cut. And here's the back. So yeah, here it is. So I will film another update tomorrow. Hopefully the hair settles down by then. So I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up. Bye!